We know that derivating a function gives its slope and integrating it gives the area under the graph. But have you ever wondered how do you find the length of a curve? Let's start off with some simple geometry. We'll take a small interval dx parallel to the x-axis and a corresponding change df of x parallel to the y-axis. And in this right angle triangle, let the hypotenuse be m and let the angle between the hypotenuse and the side with length dx be theta. Now tan theta is df of x by dx, which is basically the derivative of f of x or f prime x. And since m is the hypotenuse and dx is the side adjacent to theta, m is equal to sec theta dx. Combining the three equations, we get that m is equal to dx time under root d by dx f of x whole squared plus 1. And since m was a tiny part of the total length that we wanted to calculate, length is equal to the integral of m, which is the integral of dx times under root d by dx f of x whole squared plus 1. And there you have it. That's how you find the length of a curve. I see you still not left. Wanna check us out on Instagram and Facebook? Links in the description. See you there.